Imagine the courtroom buzzing with tension as former tabloid bigwig David Pecker takes the stand in the hush money trial involving Donald Trump. The air practically crackles as each word Pecker speaks colors Trump as a savvy and thrifty individual, meticulous and immersed in his business dealings. Pecker's testimony is like a time machine, whisking us back to the days when he saw Trump scrutinize and sign invoices. And here's where things get interesting. Their preferred mode of communication was notes passed through Trump's personal bodyguard. It's almost reminiscent of those sneaky, note-passing episodes in high school geometry class, isn't it? Who knew that those teenage shenanigans would be resurrected in the highest corridors of power? Here's a priceless lesson, folks. Never underestimate the power of a well-placed note. Pecker's expose is fascinating, revealing that he considered Trump a friend till at least 2017, and even had chats about The Apprentice, with Trump feeding show tidbits for coverage in the National Enquirer. But this trial is not just about hush money and a former president's association with a tabloid executive. It also involves a complex web of legal strategies. Drawing parallels with the case of former politician John Edwards, who was acquitted of similar charges, Trump's defense team argues that the payments were made to protect personal interests rather than to influence the election. This introduces the challenges of linking state criminal charges to federal election law violations and the credibility of key witnesses, such as Michael Cohen. The charges brought against Trump are serious. Allegedly falsifying business records to hide hush money payments during the 2016 campaign, the charges are seen as risky by legal experts. There are concerns about transparency and potential legal hurdles. The case could lead to years of litigation and may ultimately reach the Supreme Court. In the midst of all this, Trump faces other legal challenges, including potential criminal charges in Georgia and federal investigations. His lawyers have requested a 1-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial brought by E. Jean Carroll, following Trump's indictment for falsifying business records related to hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. Trump denies these allegations, adding more fuel to the fire of this captivating courtroom drama. So, what have we uncovered today? A former tabloid executive's testimony has shed light on his relationship with Donald Trump. We've delved into the potential legal defense strategies that may be employed, the challenges of linking state criminal charges to federal election law violations, and the credibility of key witnesses. We've also explored the serious charges brought against Trump and the other legal challenges he faces. Through this intricate web of legalities and personal revelations, we're getting a glimpse into a complex case that could have far-reaching consequences. As the trial continues, we wait with bated breath to see how this intriguing story will unfold. This is a courtroom drama like no other, a tale of power, money, and a former president's fight for vindication. Stay tuned as we continue to delve into this captivating saga.